Hello and welcome to another practice session for IIT-JAM 2022. This is the second practice session. In order to get to the first practice session, click on the link in the I button. This is again dedicated for IIT-JAM 2022, but these concepts are super useful for CSIR NET and many other entrance examination. In this video, we'll discuss 10 questions from biotechniques in next 10 minutes. So stay tuned till the end of this video and keep on watching. But before that, let me tell you, if you're preparing for IIT-JAM but you're feeling helpless and you don't know where to start from and how to revise all these concepts in this short time, then Unacademy could be your one-stop solution because educators are providing all the nice materials with doubt clearing and previous year's analytics. So you just need to download the app from your app store and then click on the link which is given on the description box. Then you can register for these 90 days crash course for JAM 2022 Biotechnology. This is known as Believers Batch, which is starting from 13th October, which has already started. All the topmost educators would be taking their lectures for this particular crash course, and you can use my code AP10 to get a 10% discount. Now let's go to previous day's question. So this was the last day's solution. I have asked the solution for this particular question in the comment section. So here is the solution, and the solution is provided. The correct answer is C, and here are the arrows which demark all the necessary explanations. If you want detailed explanation, you can go to my playlist and try to understand all of these important chromatographic technique. Okay, you just need to click on the I button, which is top hand right side corner of the screen, and that would give you the total list. Let's jump on to today's discussion. Question number 1 says, which of the following technique can determine 3D structure of a protein? So the correct option is all of these. NMR spectroscopy, X-ray crystallography, cryo-electron microscopy, all of these techniques can be used to determine protein's 3D structure. If you want to learn more about it, click on the I button, you would find the necessary video. Question 2 says all of the following techniques use some form of light except X-ray crystallography, UV spectroscopy, circular dichroism spectroscopy, transmission electron microscopy. And the correct option is option D, because transmission electron microscopes use electron beam, not the light beam. All other spectroscopy techniques here use some form of light. Okay, then question number 3 says the effectiveness of immunofluorescent labeling can be affected by fluorescent imaging of the cell, specificity of the antibodies, chemical nature of the antigen, permeabilization of the specimen. The options are 1, 2, 3 only, 1, 3, 4 only, 2, 3, 4 only, and all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. If you want to learn more about immunohistochemistry, quickly click on the I button. Question 4 says 1D page separates protein according to which kind of character of the protein? Protein are sensitive to pH, different protein have different molecular sizes, then different protein have different charges. Protein are sensitive to temperature. The correct answer is option B, different protein has different molecular sizes. You want to learn more about 1D page? Click on the link. But in short, 1D page separates protein based on their molecular size. Question number 5. Let's say you have identified a new protein and want to perform a structural analysis. Sorry for the spelling mistake. Then dash is the best method for studying protein's secondary structure, while in order to study the tertiary structure, which would be the best method. And the correct option in this case would be option C. So circular dichroism spectroscopy is really important and majorly used to study the secondary protein signatures, whereas X-ray crystallography is for higher order structures. If you want to learn more about it, you know where to click. Anyway, question number 6. Which technique was used to determine the double helical structure of DNA? Affinity chromatography, X-ray crystallography, series spectroscopy, hydrophobic interaction chromatography. Correct answer would be X-ray crystallography. Question number 7 is another common format, matching the column A with B. Here there are a bunch of techniques and the usage is given in the column B. Anion exchange chromatography, co-immunoprecipitation, circular dichroism spectroscopy, X-ray crystallography, all of these are repeatedly asked in several years. So really note all of these techniques. The correct answer is option B. And if you want to know more about it, you know where to get it from. Question 8 says one researcher collaborated with a synthetic chemist and synthesized a compound which is hypothesized to change the membrane fluidity. In order to prove their hypothesis, which should be the best technique? Fluorescence recovery after photobleaching, fluorescence resonance energy transfer, phase contrast microscopy, or scanning electron microscopy? So the correct option is option A, or FRAP. So FRAP is an important technique which can be used to study membrane fluidity. If you want to know how, click on the I button. Then question 9 says, in order to check how much transcription is taking place from a promoter, we can use all the following techniques except. The techniques are luciferase reporter assay, real-time quantitative PCR, northern blot, and FRAP. So the statement which says the technique that cannot be used to determine the promoter strength is FRAP. The last question of the day, match the following techniques with their usage in biomedical research. Gel filtration chromatography, HPLC, ChIP-seq, RNA-seq. And you should be answering this question and tell me in the comment section. So if you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can always support my channel in Patreon. You can also support my channel in Bhim UPI. If you're an Indian user, you can just scan this QR code to pay something, and it would be really beneficial for me and this particular channel to grow. And as usual, you can go to my Unacademy profile. You can take my courses using code EPI10. You can get 10% discount. It would be beneficial for you. And if you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment how you like my videos. Thank you.